Have you ever chatted with ChatGPT and thought, how does this thing actually work? Well, today we're going behind the scenes to explain ChatGPT in the simplest way possible. No tech jargon, just smart, human-friendly explanations. ChatGPT is a chatbot developed by OpenAI. You can ask it to write stories, answer questions, translate languages, even help you code. But ChatGPT isn't a person, it's a language model. That means it's a kind of artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate human language. Let's break that down. Imagine the autocomplete feature on your phone. When you type, it predicts your next word, right? ChatGPT works similarly, but it doesn't just predict one word. It can generate full sentences, ideas, and conversations. It's like autocomplete supercharged. To get this smart, ChatGPT needed training. It was fed huge amounts of text from books, websites, and articles. It read and analyzed billions of words, then it learned how words relate to each other, forming patterns in language. So now, when you type something, it responds based on what it's learned. Here's the cool part. ChatGPT doesn't search the internet. It doesn't look things up. It responds by predicting what should come next in your sentence, based on its training. So when you ask a question, it builds a response one word at a time, choosing the most likely next word over and over until the answer is complete. ChatGPT doesn't see full words like we do. It breaks everything down into chunks called tokens. Each word might be one token or several. There's a limit to how many tokens it can handle at once. So long, conversations might get cut off or lose context. Now here's something important. ChatGPT doesn't actually understand things. It doesn't have thoughts, beliefs, or emotions. It's just really good at sounding like it does. It's mimicking patterns in human language, not thinking like a human. There are different versions of ChatGPT, like GPT-3, GPT 3.5, and the latest, GPT-4. Each version gets smarter, more accurate, and better at handling complex tasks. ChatGPT is amazing for brainstorming, learning new things, and generating ideas. But it's not perfect. It can make mistakes. Sometimes it gives wrong answers, and it can even sound confident when it's wrong, so always double-check important info. And that's how ChatGPT works. No magic, just math, data, and a lot of training. If you want more easy AI explainers, hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what topic you want next.